Let's look at OSLER online exam format. What to expect on examination day. A step-by-step guide for candidates using OSLER Online is here. This presentation walks you through everything from logging in to logging out, so you feel confident and prepared on the day of your exam. Before you start, make sure you have completed all the checks in Preparing for your exam on OSLER Online document before we begin. Let's look at the interface overview for OSLER Online. The image below shows the main OSLER Online screen. Each numbered element is a key tool you will use during your exam. Number 1 here indicates the internet strength. Number 2 indicates microphone. You could mute your microphone here. Number 3 is view or hide brief. That is, you view or hide the question. Number 4 is view or hide notes. During the reading time, you would get access to notes and you could jot down important points. You could view or hide notes by clicking here. Number 5 is the exam schedule. It indicates the task that's ongoing. Number 6 indicates the time left in the task. Number 7 is the chat box. In case of any problem, you could message in the chat box. Number 8 is to report incident. You could click on this whenever there is a technical error. Number 9 is to view full screen mode. Number 10 is to refresh page in case of connectivity issues. Number 11 is to log out. Please note, do not use NHS devices or NHS Wi-Fi as their security settings can block your webcam, microphone, and access to OSLER Online. Let's look at the exam process at a glance. The OSLER Online exam follows the same structure as any in-person medical exam. Here is the journey every candidate takes from start to finish. Log in. You would then be taken to waiting room. Then would be your reading time for the exam, then the exam, then log out. For login, use your unique username and PIN from your exam provider's email. Waiting room, wait here until your exam begins. Identity may be verified here. Reading time, read your brief, that's the exam question, and take notes before the station begins. Complete your station with the role player and examiner. Lastly, log out. Once complete, you will see a confirmation message. Do not log out until and unless you see a confirmation message. Always use the same device and Wi-Fi you use during your device check. Logging in and device check. How to log in? You will receive an email from your exam provider from the MRCOG containing your unique username and access PIN. Click the URL in the email to go directly to the login portal. You must use Google Chrome. No other browser is currently supported. Automatic device check. After signing in, OSLER Online will automatically check your camera, microphone, connection, and signal quality. Once all checks pass, you can proceed to the waiting room. Regarding exam fairness and chaperones. OSLER Online is committed to the highest standards of fairness across all examinations. At the request of your exam provider, all candidates may be continuously observed by a chaperone including during breaks, intervals, reading times, and the exam itself. How to check regarding the chaperone? Look at the bottom of your schedule bar on the left side of your screen to see if a chaperone is present in your room. If there is untoward behavior that is observed, your exam provider will be immediately notified. Exams may be recorded at the request of your exam provider. You will be notified beforehand. Contact your provider to confirm. Waiting room and pre-exam briefing. The waiting room is the first place you will visit. You will wait here until your exam begins. In some cases, your candidate identity may be verified while you wait. An observer will be present and monitoring the room. Pre-exam briefing. Before the exam starts, a pre-exam briefing takes place for all the examiners. The lead speaker will take up most of the screen. If you have a question, click the raise hand icon or leave a message in the group chat box. So that's the purpose of a chat box, which would be there throughout the exam. Reading time and the examination room. During the reading time, you will be able to read your brief on the screen. Use the zoom in or zoom out icons on the right to resize the document and the scroll icons to move through it. You can also make notes in the white space below your exam brief. These carry through automatically to your exam station, and you can view them by clicking on the view notes, which we saw in one of the first slides. In the examination room, the role player takes up the largest part of your screen to support face-to-face conversation. Click the brief icon to review your brief during the exam. Use the resize icon in the bottom right corner of the brief for easier reading. A red timer will appear prominently at 1 minute remaining and again for the last 5 seconds. Paused exams, reruns, and logging out. Paused exam. The exam can be paused at any time by the provider. You will receive live updates on the screen explaining the reason and when the exam will start. Stay at your screen. The event could resume at any moment. Reruns. After all the stations are complete, remain on the platform. In rare cases, you may be asked to rerun an earlier station. You will be informed and given time to return. Reruns follow the same format as the original exam. Logging out. When you see the message, "Thank you, the exam is now complete," you may now safely close the app. Your exam is finished. It is safe to log out of OSLER Online. Some of the FAQs and troubleshooting. In case of loss of internet connection, you'll be logged out automatically. Re-click the link in your email to log back in. You'll return to your station. A rerun can be arranged if needed. In case of frozen video, click the refresh icon at the bottom of the screen. If that fails, log out and log back in. In case of technical problem, click the incident report icon at the bottom of your screen that we had seen earlier. For emergency contact, your exam provider will send emergency contact details in advance for you to contact in case of emergency. Questions about OSLER Online? You could email at help@osleronline.co.uk. I repeat, help@osleronline.co.uk. Quick fixes. In case of login issues, check the URL. Turn off caps lock. This is a common mistake. When you are typing your username, caps lock may be on. Turn off caps lock. Remove any spaces. Regarding the internet issue, reboot router, move closer, stop other household streaming like Netflix, etc. that may be used otherwise. Use an Ethernet cable. Regarding the video, enable Chrome permissions. Close Teams or Zoom or other such platforms. Sit in a well-lit room. For the audio, remove nearby devices. Lower the device volume. Don't move closer to screen if you hear an echo. Enable permissions on Mac. How do we do it? For camera and microphone, go to System Preferences, the settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy, go to Camera or Microphone and make sure that Google Chrome has a blue tick. Permission on Windows, go to Settings and Privacy, Camera and Microphone. Ensure that there is blue toggle. Under Let Apps Use Camera or Microphone. Remember, use an updated version of Google Chrome only. Only use a PC, laptop or Mac, no phones or tablets. Do not use NHS laptops, desktops or any NHS Wi-Fi. Use the same device and internet as your device check. Thank you.